What's going down, YouTube? We're gonna go ahead and get started. And here I got the lever all the way open with the Andes Masters. I know it's been a minute, man, but we're gonna go ahead and slap on that number 1 guard. Go into that oval shape. We got a little tint fade going on. My little baby curls coming in. You already know. Well, you can't see the curls now, but you know, we gonna get there, you know. If you're viewing this, man, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you could share the video, I appreciate it. Been a minute since I've done one. But I'm back, you know what I'm saying? I cut all my curls off, unfortunately, so you guys couldn't have saw the journey. But man, we starting new, 2018, so y'all can go ahead and, you know, follow my journey, you know what I'm saying? So here we're still with the Masters. Go ahead doing a trigger play. Trying to get rid of that ball line and fade it into that 0. So here we still got the number 1 all the way open, and you see how I'm using that corner? I'm still going into that oval shape. But you know, this kind of looks like a low taper, but I wanted a temp. So you're gonna see I go a little bit higher just to get that, you know, that temp in there. So you see the oval shape, how that line right there. So we're gonna go ahead and put on that number 2. And right here, just to take off that bulk from behind the ears, I just kind of had to scoop that out. So here we got the number 1 again. And here we got the, you know, T outliner. Is gonna go ahead and outline, do a lineup real quick. I mean, that's a good tip I can give you guys, is do a lineup on your haircuts to see how your blend, that really makes the blend pop, and see, you know, what kind of dark spots need to be touched up. So you can see how I went a little bit higher here, just do my temp. And I just got my number 4 right there just to take off a little bit more bulk. And now we got that number 3 on there, still scooping. And I don't use no self-cut system, man. There ain't no time for that. I want to make one, but you know, I haven't had the time. So here, man, got the silk comb. You already know the cricket. So you can see, man, it's looking pretty clean, you know. Got a little, you know, a little heaviness up top, but we're gonna go ahead and get rid of that. Got that number 4 on, all the way closed. I'm just still scooping. Not going into my head, but just, you know, scooping. So that's all we got to do. So here I got the 0 all the way open, and I'm using that corner to get rid of that line you see right there. And notice how I'm still going in that oval shape. So here we're just going to go ahead and hop onto the back, man. I got the 0, and I'm going to make my first guideline, as you can see. Then we're going to go ahead and open it and do the same thing. And you know, cutting your own hair ain't hard as long as you know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't rush it, because if you rush it, that's when that's a wrap. You know what I'm saying? You might as well, you know, I'm Mexican, so it's all good. I could just shave my head. But I remember the first time I did, bro. Man, they were like, man, you put a bowl on your head? I was like, oh man, bro. They started roasting me, and that was a wrap, man. But like I said, so I'm just following the same steps I did on my side. I do that to the back. So you see, I put on that number 1 all the way open, take off some bulk, and then I come back and close it and hit it again and go on both sides and slowly work that blend down. So, but like I was saying, so here, look, I'm taking the number 3 and I'm knocking off some bulk just so I can see what I need to cut. As you can see right there, a little bit better view. See how I'm still scooping. But if you take your time, man, you can do any cut. So remember how I said about outlining to go see what kind of dark spots you got? I obviously knew I wasn't done. I know I still had like that number 1 line I still had to get out. But here I'm just outlining it, and I'm gonna go ahead and touch it up. But back to what I was saying, you can do any haircut as long as you follow the steps and you go slow, man. Cutting your own hair, I mean, it's hard at first. Trust me, I get it. But you know, as time goes on, you'll get it, man. It'll just start to click. Like, as soon as you get to know the guards and all that, it'll be real easy. So here, man, I still got that number 3 and I'm still flicking. And then, if you know what I'm saying, like I said, if you're viewing this, man, leave a like and subscribe. You can follow me on my curl journey. People be like, man, that dude ain't got no curls. I'm like, bruh. If you go ahead and follow me on my Instagram at ogpeligroso, man, you're gonna see it, dude. I got some crazy nice curls, man. You know, but I could pull any baddie with any type of curls, man. Not with any curls, no, any type of haircut, you feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and dust myself off. I ain't even explain the back, bro. It's all good, it's all good. Just know it's the same steps. I ain't done with the back yet either. But yeah, man, you can follow me on my curl. So here I got the T outliners. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm shaving them bottom hairs on the bottom neck, below the neck, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so here we're gonna go ahead and jump in to the lineup. You already know, man. I didn't show this side. I mean, there's just like a little clip of it because it's the same steps. As you can see, I opened my lever all the way open, did that little oval shape, and repeated the same steps. And then, you know, bust out the T outliner, you know, do that bald line, you know, and lined it up. But yeah, man, subscribe, man, because I got curly hair tutorials. I was gonna do them, but I'm telling you, I was rushing a haircut, messed myself up. You can even ask my boy Matt, man. I went up too high on one side, boop. I saw them curls come off. I was like, damn, bruh. What am I gonna do? I tried to rock it. I tried to make them grow, but dude, I grew my curls off for at least like 6 months, dude. Like, when you have curls, they take a while. When I was just so mad, I was just like, dude, I'm just gonna cut it all off. So I have a video on that, man. If you guys want to see that video, let me know. I will drop that. I have that video. I haven't even posted it, but I have me cutting my curls off, bro. It was sad. It was sad that day. I went home next day. Everybody was like, you know, the baddies, of course, was like, you know, I like that. I like that. I was like, shit, I know. But anyways, man, we're gonna get to the lineup. So here, I'm having another mirror and I'm lining myself up because the light, it like in the background, you'll see it. It shows a lot more detailed view of when you're doing it. So here I got my texturizing shears and I'm just cleaning up a little bit of bulk on both sides. But like I was saying, how I was lining myself up with that other mirror, that light, it'll hit the back of that mirror. See how it's hitting it, and it'll show my my lineup more crispier. But here I'm lining up my eyebrows, and you're gonna see me. I'm gonna hit them with the straight razor too, because everybody be asking me how I do my eyebrows. Nobody believes that I do them myself. Here you go. It's how I do it. It's not that hard. Unless you know what you're doing, bro, because you can easily fuck up your eyebrows. And bro, I ain't never shaved my eyebrows, but man, who knows what that would look like. But anyways, man, yep, there's that. You can see, man, look at the determination, man. Look at that. Look at the focus. It's not that hard. It's just, you know, if you ain't got a strong hand, man, like, oh, here you go. Pull out the straight razor. Go ahead, get it. I cut out some of the footage because you really couldn't see it because, you know, I was looking up, man. That's the final cut, bro. Look at that. Ooh, who this, boy? Boy, looking clean. You already know, man. Ooh, I look like a, ooh, look at that, boy. Baby curls. I don't want to hear no Pauly D, no fucking George Lopez, none of that shit. It's your boy OG. I'm out. Follow me on my curls journeys, man. I'm out.